Yeah. Open it. Rip it open like we Ethan. Good job. Nice. Ricky, I'm recording it. Stop complaining. Gosh.
Keep it down.
Wait, not yet.
Oh, I'm good. Oh, I'm just holding
Wait.
it still.
Ooh.
Wait, go ahead, open it.
Okay, open them. Open yours, Gavin.
What is that?
Oh, sugar. Chef
What is that?
Spam Light and Chef Boyardee.
Whoa.
Chef and
What?
Fancy.
Okay, let me see it. Go in there and show it in the camera.
That's a good present.
Let me see. No, no, no. Open. Take them out. Take them out.
It's sugar, pencil, and the
Yummy. You like that? It's good.
I was going to get a green motorcycle.
What?
I was going to get a magic. I need looking closer. No, it's just normal.
You like your present, Ethan?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Gavin? Get them out. What's the matter?
I was going to get a green motorcycle.
Huh?
I was going to get a green motorcycle. Oshi prawn crackers and chocolate.
It's good. I thought you liked pretzels
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
and shrimp chips. Huh?
Okay, I want to open
What's
it.
wrong?
Well, that's those for other Ethans and Gavin.
Just that's it. That's all you guys have. That's it. What's the matter? What's wrong?
Ethan. Ethan.
Come on. We gotta get dressed. We're gonna go to Lola's house. Get more. Maybe they'll give us more spam.
Ethan.